Congratulations on choosing Miele. To ensure your delivery and installation go seamlessly, here's everything you need to know.
First, make sure there's parking access for our delivery truck. It's important to follow the delivery instructions provided to avoid delays. Clear the entryway for our driver to safely manoeuvre your appliance. If connections are located in cupboards, be sure to clear them out ahead of time.
For everyone's safety, please secure any pets during the delivery process. Remember, our delivery drivers are not trained tradespeople. While they'll deliver and set up your appliance, any specialised electrical or plumbing work must be done by a qualified professional.
It's important to let our customer service team know about any stairs, parking challenges, or other details when scheduling your delivery. That way, we can make your experience a truly memorable one. You'll also receive timely SMS updates about your delivery so you know exactly when to expect us.